Hi, today we're going to talk about how to order a sleep disorder. Most of us do a lot of things for our body to put it at rest, and that is called a night care routine. But have we ever involved a night care routine for our mind? Let's discuss what could be a night care routine to put our mind on rest. The first is that do not watch the world news before an hour you go to bed. Second, shut down your social media before an hour. Third, do not watch any kind of serial which has a fiction or a fight among the people, some kind of argument or crime based serials or such series on any of the app or television, because all these things get absorbed in our mind, because at night our mind is like a bloating paper. It's not about nidra these days. If you want to sleep, like when the saints or spiritually charged people they sleep, उनको उनकी sleep को we count it as a yog nidra. Yog nidra is not something we do it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. That is another technique. But let's do the yog nidra entire night. Now, how to convert our sleep into a meditation? The process is that give a closure to your day. How to give a closure? Whatever has happened is past. That day is not gonna come again. That night is not gonna come again. That people in your life will not again create the same mishappenings or misconceptions if you forgive them and forget at night. Don't take all those things and sleep with it. Another thing, do watch something very positive. Saint's lecture or a spiritual lecture or something like that, because that is gonna feed your mind with some kind of positivity, and that goes into subconscious mind. Another thing, whatever has happened in a day, either write a diary or write a letter to God and just tear it off and feel it, it's over, it's finished, it's gone from my life. Last but not the least, do on something very peaceful on your phone and then sleep. You can do a 5 minutes meditation, or you can watch any of the positive lecture at night. So when you do all these things, not only your body gets to rest, even your mind gets to rest. And especially do not watch other people's stories and what should I say, videos. What have they done in their entire day? Just recall what have you done in your entire day. Have you made it worth living? Because these days every minute we live is a blessing. See how many people due to Omicron or increase in the COVID cases are in hospital. Thank God for your good body. Thank God for food. Thank God that you're sleeping in your bedroom or in your house, not in a hospital. Thank God for giving you such a nice family. Thank God that your business is going well. And just thank God, because whatever you give to the universe at night, next day the universe welcome you with the same thing. Thankful day ends, then the start is gonna be at a thankful note again. Thank you so much.